squishy updated videos. So let's start with the handmade squishies. So firstly, this is newly made biscuit squishy. And the paint was actually pink, but it turned out to be red, so it's just strawberry drizzle on it, so it's really squishy too. So yeah. Then next we have this cake squishy, and then we have this cake slice, and I have previous videos, so you guys should just see what were the old squishies I used to have. This is squishy, squishy, huggy squishy. And so then I have this donut squishy, this other donut squishy, it's super squishy, and this pudding squishy, this squishy that tray fell off, so I'm just going to glue a deco down there. So then I have this pudding squishy, then I have these two cupcakes that aren't squishy. Look. But they're still very kawaii. So I have this cat bun squishy, it's licensed, as you can see. So yeah. Cat bun, and then we have this turtle plush, Chica Bunny plush, this other donuts. This popular donut is super squishy but quite dirty and quite ribish. It has lots of rips on it, so yeah, but it's very textured. So, let me open this up. Then we have this bubble tea thing. It's also another non-squishy. And with this whipped cream non-keychain. It's very kawaii, I did myself. And then we have this baby cinnamon roll squishy. And we have this Kyotari thing that's not so squishy but still squishy enough. And then we have my new squishies. So firstly, all yours. Kind of. So firstly I have this Hello Kitty donut squishy with a bite in it. So yeah, here's this Hello Kitty bowl. And yeah, quite squishy. No, it's already like that. So it came with a few defects, all of these dot stuff. So yeah. And then this Hello Kitty macaron. It's really squishy. And yeah. Then we have this Hello Kitty waffle. And it's huge. It's like the size of my hand, about the size of my hand, the size of my sister's hand. So yeah, it's white drizzle, which is probably vanilla drizzle. So here's this bowl, and yeah, it's textured. So then we have this bit and bun. Yeah, it smells like coffee, and it has a kiss face, and it's very squishy. It's one of my squishiest and most textured buns. I used to have lots of emotion buns and very squishy donuts like these, but they're lost. And it's not nail polish. And in I bought them in Singapore, and my bookshop used to sell at my school bookshop, but they don't sell it anymore, and this is really squishy. So squishy. And then we have a Rilakkuma strawberry, dipped in strawberry, and it's really squishy. It's like one of the squishiest here. Look at the ears, like, oh my god. Yeah, and it's squishy. And here's an R here. And it's so squishy. And here's a stretchy chain. Hold the Rilakkuma. So it's stretchy. Yeah, you're not doing it properly. Help me hold the camera. So it's stretchy like this. Like now you guys can see it. So yeah, so this is my squishy collection, and thanks for watching.